Hi, to take screenshots and find them on your Xiaomi 13, firstly, let me show you how to take a screenshot. For that, just open something you want to screenshot, for example, any web page, photo, or something like that. I'm gonna just select the home page. And now you will need to hold this power button and volume down buttons at the same time quickly like that. And now the screenshot is taken. You can immediately select it at device frame. For example, here you can also draw something on that screenshot. I'm going to draw this heart. And you can also share with the screenshot, immediately delete it and save to gallery. So let's save it. And now to check where it's saved, we would need to go in the gallery. Here we can see these two tabs on the bottom of the page. We can go into day and here is the screenshot. Or you can go in your albums and you will see this additional album screenshots and screen recordings. So on this device everything is organized just fine. And go in this folder, here you'll see screenshots and you can switch to screen recordings. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.